Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to download and install AMD graphic driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. Downloading and installing the AMD or any other graphic driver manually from the official website is the best way to have a graphic driver on your PC. So before starting, you need to find out and confirm that what kind of AMD processor and graphic card you have. So what you can do on your desktop, you have to look for an icon by the name this PC, and if you do not find on your desktop, you can open your file explorer and here you'll find this PC. Just make a right click on it and choose properties. Now this will display the processor name. So like on my end, I have AMD Ryzen 7 5700G with Radeon graphics 3.8 gigahertz. So what you have to do, you have to take a note of this processor name, because in the next step we have to download this by manually typing this name on Google. So let's go on Google, and here what you have to type: download, then type the name of the graphic card AMD processor that we just checked in the previous step. Like I had AMD Ryzen 7 5700G with Radeon graphics, then driver. Okay, so you have to replace this name with your AMD processor, and before you have to type download, and in the last you have to type driver. Then click on enter and you will go to the AMD website, and here we can see AMD Ryzen and driver and support. So make sure that you only go with the AMD official website. If you get any other website in the suggestion, kindly avoid it. I will click on the first link. Now this will take me to the AMD website, and here I find Windows 11 or Windows 10. So you can choose either one of them, whichever you are using. I'm using Windows 10, so I click on the plus icon, and then here it will show you AMD software, adrenalin edition, the file size, the release date, and the download button. So you have to click on download, and this will be start downloading, and the total size will be 539 MB. So depending on your internet connection, it may take some time. Now in case, if due to any reason, if you're not able to find the exact graphic card or the processor, or you're not able to follow these steps, then I will be leaving another link in the description. You can open that website of AMD, and there is another feature of Auto Detect and install for Windows 10 and 11. So what will happen when you open this website on your computer, it will automatically detect that what kind of AMD graphic card or processor you have on your PC, and then simply you have to click on download now. All right, so let's move with the first step. That is for the people who in case have trouble with this method. Now once you come here, you have to click on download. I have already downloaded, so let me open the file. Here is AMD software that I have downloaded, so I will make a double click on it. Then I minimize everything to show you that how you have to install. You will come to this page, click on install, and this will take some time. So just wait, have some patience, avoid doing any other kind of work, because due to some interruption, the problem may occur while installing this kind of driver. Okay, once it's been done, you will come to this page, AMD software adrenalin edition installer. So you have to wait here, then you have to click on install. And once it's been installed, you probably will get a flash with a black screen like you can see right now. And after that, it will ask you to restart. I'm not sure whether you are able to see my screen or not, but you will be getting a message that will ask you to restart. Kindly go with the restart. And once you have restarted your PC, again it will come up with a setup. So it may take some time. Just wait until it has been completed, and probably it will again ask you to restart for the final installation step. And once it's been done, you will be getting this AMD page here, and it will ask you that what kind of profile you want to choose. So you can choose between gaming or esport or like power saving. So whichever you use, you can just open it. And after that, you will on the right hand side, you will see driver and software, and it will show you the status. And it says up to date with a green check, which means I have the latest and the updated version of the AMD graphics. All right, and a part of that, you can also launch your game. If you do the gaming, then you can launch a game from here. You can just see that what kind of FPS you are getting, and accordingly you can optimize your PC. So that's all guys. Hopefully you will love this video, and if yes, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.